Take a ride in the 2018 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, rain sensing wipers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.